this video, I just want to clear up a few things. Okay, so it's been talked about a lot. Batch 1 versus batch 2. What are the differences? Well, it's pretty easy to spot. The first thing to look for is your servo horn. The pink car is a batch 1 car. It has a lot shorter servo horn versus the batch 2, which is longer. The batch 2 has sort of 2 holes on the servo horn versus the batch 1, which is on its own. The linkages on the batch 2 car are the opposite way around to the batch 1 car. And if you remove the motor covers, you'll find that the pinion is a different color as well. And lastly, the C-hubs on the batch 2 have been beefed up. But that's not really what we're here to talk about today. What we're here to talk about today is the motor, okay, or more importantly, the speed. The speed of these cars. The speed of batch 2 cars is dramatically faster than the batch 1 cars. I would say anywhere between 15 and 20% on the track. There is a night and day difference in how these cars drive. So what we're here today to figure out is, where is that difference coming from? Is it the motor? Some people say it's the motor. Some people say that the motors are identical, and yes, they have exactly the same part number stamped on them. But are they the same? I don't know. Some people say it's the ESCs, that there's a difference in the ESCs. Now, that is a lot harder for us to actually figure out. Visually, they look identical, but what's inside them, I couldn't tell you. But what we're going to do today is we're going to do a bit of a switch around of the motors and see what happens. Okay, so first test. This is a batch 1 car, batch 1 ESC, batch 1 motor. I'm going to be using the same battery on all of these tests. Batch 2 motor, batch 2 ESC. Batch 1 motor in a batch 2 car. Batch 2 motor on a batch 1 ESC. The batch 2 motor, whether it's in using a batch 1 ESC or a batch 2 ESC, that batch 2 motor is significantly faster than batch 1. Now, I would love to dive in deeper, take those motors apart and try and figure out where and why there is a difference. I'd love to know how to purchase more of these batch 2 motors, because we've got a lot of people at our club who are struggling and on the batch 1 motors. But yeah, I don't know that that's going to happen anytime soon. So yeah, I really don't think there's a lot more to be said. So if you've got any more thoughts on this subject, please drop them down in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. I hope you found this video interesting. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. It would really help out the channel. Otherwise, I will see you in the next one.